It was not just a blessing to Skales, but also a blessing to the music industry at the year 2015 when the song they released. Yeah. And I know how people, one thing about success now, say people when even benefit or even benefit will they more happy for you when your success start to the show. And I remember how the music space be 2015. Oh, finally, Skales with big song. Wait, you get the assessment there around. And we just got to take your mind back to that Shake Body when they released 2015 by the one and only young Skales. Or if you call on Skales right now, because you're not young again. 30 years.
Now just Skales. So.
Now Skales now, you're not young again, bro. I believe, you don't complete 30 years already, right?
Yeah. I don't complete.
Already, right? Yeah. So we look forward to 31 right now. Anyway, now see Naija FM 102.7 Money Runs. My name is Naro and B.
My name is Napeka, please.
And you just hear the voice of Skales. He just bust into our studio right now. Can't tell us good news. Say one release album today.
Yeah, so
and I be like, why you they tell me nah? Ask him, man, I don't why you gonna tell me now? You supposed to let me feed the album, so if I want help, I can't expect this song. But in there you go using my TikTok. So welcome, bro.
Yeah, my people, thank you very much for having me.
All right, here's the Skales. Maybe we just move straight into the proper album matter. We don't carry come Sweet Distraction.
Yeah.
Now the title of that album.
Yeah.
So waiting warrant that name, Sweet Distraction.
Okay, basically now distraction and the normal everyday challenges we they face. We're supposed to distract us. Where you go to worry, you
wait, as a music artist or as a married
man?
as
a human being. In general.
But you say you don't married, you don't see any distraction when it's sweet.
Eh? You follow. My brother.
Okay. So I'm in track album.
Now 14-track album.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah. How long it take you to work this album?
It take me a long time actually. Yeah. It take me because I've been discover like new sound where I go put. And trust me, when you listen to this album, you go understand and you go appreciate them.
I beg these 14 tracks. How long it take you to compile them together?
Honestly, like just a couple of months to put them together.
Okay.
I don't record plenty versions of the album. We did down already, which if it be like 6-7 albums we did down. But yeah, these ones now they make these tracks and they did very special and they follow the title Sweet Distraction. Yeah.
I think the last time we released Body of Work around 2018. That's Mr. Love, right?
Yeah, Mr.
So
Love.
why it take you this long before you release?
I've been go through the transition of I've been the label, okay. So I've been try just the independent and all that. So I needed to like prepare myself. I need to like strategize with my team. We need to sit down, rebrand some kind of certain things. Yeah.
So you did on your own right now.
Yeah,
signed to OHK, right?
Yes. Yeah, so let me get them.
So how you don't be since when you don't do on your own as independent artist?
Man, it's like every other business. The challenges. They plenty where because especially when now you they run them yourself. Yeah.
But I believe advantage because what you just talk when Becca asked you one question and say this album like you get to experiment with a lot of stuff.
And discover new sound.
When you do with record label, most of the doctors say this is not what you want me you do, but you have been
control 100% control. To make decisions and all. But at the end of the day too, not be just me. I get my team
when
they input 100. They input where.
So for Sweet Distractions now only you sing on top of the 14 tracks, or you get some other artists.
I feature some superstars. From like Black Bones to Rotimi to Stone Boy.
Rotimi when married to. Married man, the feature married man. That's good. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rotimi, Zlatan, Davido. Imanse, Kabusa Choir.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, that major work you put in there.
Custom Boy already, yeah.
Wow, man.
So which of the artists where you say you put for this your album, which of them give you problem pass? Which one of them give you that ease?
Funny enough, none of them actually, none of them. They're just free spirit and free vibes and love, man. And passion for what we do.
Okay.
Okay. So the album Sweet Distraction will drop today officially.
You don't drop already.
So if you stream
if you stream it now on every digital streaming platform,
Okay.
Yeah.
Of the album, we'll get Nobody to Somebody when they release earlier.
Yes.
Will knock very very soon.
Yes.
But before then, you be one artist when be say your relationship you not keep on discreet even before you marry. Even your marriage you not keep on secret. So why? Because most people they will not marry 5 years. We're going to find out in 10 years later. this guy really don't marry. Why you just make your own deal?
I mean, everybody gets, their style of living, but for me, I just live my life, and just enjoy myself, Now only one life we get to live. So, I mean, there's secrets definitely, but for me, there's just some things you can. How many times I won't hide down? So let's. I mean, more just stress free. You get. Let's just keep going.
And now they also they shocking say as you they popping read for the music industry. We don't hear baby mama. You hide that one.
Now God do I don't know.
No, not be God do.
Even myself, I don't understand.
I it happen.
Nah, they safe now. Maybe
you play safe.
I practice better thing.
Using of God on our race.
Don't be me talk
but okay, continue.
Okay, I want to ask you. Say a lot of people know you as Skales, but most of us we don't even know your real name. So this case now acronym be or
an acronym.
Acronym for what and what?
Okay, the S now for seek, K for knowledge, A for acquire, L for large, S for E for entrepreneur, S for scales.
Wow.
Scales.
That one a jump
seek
question.
knowledge, acquire large.
If they ask some people will fail.
Yeah, a lot of us will fail. But what will be your real name? Go.
John Raoul.
John.
John.
Like John the Baptist.
John Raoul Njeng.
Only himself no say we not fit calling it, so they take am slowly. Anyway, sharp right now. Like whether you like it or not, the same time you did introduce around 2010, right? 2009 by AME, right?
Yeah.
You did introduce with Whiskey along the line. The Emmy Empire be like everybody go on their own. Then you push your own. Whiskey push your own. So along like come be like say friction between you and Whiskey. Then at a point come be like so I can't relate. So I can't go party together because they don't settle. Even though say quarter not be really day, which we not know. So I dey wonder right now. We ask you of artists when you feature. Like a lot of people say, okay, based on old time's sake, maybe you forget Wiz Ontop this song because like why?
I mean that one na question where I don't know. I know if you answer because
but at any point you reach out to them for
no we all of us did we did good. Me I just try answer the question. So definitely everything at time when the right time come we go make the song when the time comes.
Okay, when the time comes then.
All right, before we go listen to Nobody to Somebody.
Yes, sir.
Your record label, where we say you get now, you don't get any plans to sign artists under this your record label. You don't get you plan to sign or you don't get already.
We already get people.
Okay.
We get artists too.
Okay.
Your name na Jody. Mona watch out for him. In the come.
Jody.
Yeah, Jody. Man. Yes, in the come is on fire.
Okay.
So watch out for him. Yeah.
So why? What did actually make you just make you experiment with new sound?
As man they grow now. As man they grow. In perspective of life, they change.
Yeah.
So now it just affect the sound. I can't say okay. It's make a rebrand the sound.
So you get part of you won't ever say for a while, which is the rap part of Skales. So he go day inside this album. You rap, not be sing rap, like rap, like you drop those old flow when they drop that time.
He plenty heavy, but we reach like 3 or 4. So
okay, if you give us the track now, because I don't want personally I want to go listen to
you want play them?
No, I like listen to them personally first.
When the one with Zoro.
Okay.
The first track.
Okay.
The last track.
Okay.
Which other one again, Seth? It's like 3 or 4.
3 or 4 when you rap, like re-rap.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Say at a point, it be like say a lot of your fans they feel say you be rapper, we switch to singing.
So no, they get problem with that.
At any point you feel say as now we say you don't move back into like okay, they sing fully well now. You feel say at the point again with this album where we say you drop, your fans feel think they say it be like say Skales just they tell us say they be full time rapper, say na singer he be. They feel ever think say this your album where you give us now. If you make them think back to that direction of thinking na rapper we switch to singing.
Me na okay, from beginning, I believe say I be one of the persons we. Not just talents. Like if you do anything, if you do everything, and I believe I do it really well. You get me? So I believe a lot of my fans just know say I be person ways I be sing and I be rap, and they do well.
So what do you want make people take from Sweet Distraction? Which message you want make people take from them?
Man, just every challenge where you go through now, just look at them as like your stepping stone, to greater things, and that's why it's sweet distraction. So it's meant to distract you, but it's going to turn out to be the thing that spices up. It makes your life sweet. You know what I mean?
Okay, sweet distraction. They're available on top DSPs right now. 14-track album.
Somebody get question for you. We never say me that they send question, but somebody say you won't ask you. Say it true. Say na your mama na from Edo.
Yes, now be Edo boy.
So Akoko.
I be Edo boy.
Okay.
Well, as you go do sir.
Oh, I don't taste.
You don't taste small.
You don't really like 2-3 years.
But you the frequent Kaduna, right?
Nah, I don't take too.
You don't take too. Lagos all kidnap you.
I tell you, brother.
So about from sweet distraction, now waiting be the other future plans where Skales get.
Yeah, so we go on tour. We'll go on tour by God's grace, and we go to Africa. We go tour the world. Then definitely I will release deluxe version of the album.
Oh, for real?
Fingers crossed, definitely. So Mona go make them go stream my album now. We they out on every platform. Sweet Distractions album. They on I don't know if I can call them Booms Play Apple Music.
Yeah, you call the audio.
Every YouTube Audio Mac, food there. Sweet Distractions album by Skales, and Mona enjoy them. Mona tell me what you feel about them.
Okay. Anyway, sharp right now. That one will be end for this particular brief interview. But before you come out, just let them know your social media handle for those who like follow up and check out you. But you did open for collabo, right?
Yes, so
how much you
charge? No, me then hit up my team.
Like in dollars, 8,000 to
2,000. Every kind of currency.
You do accept.
We are welcome. Yeah, we collect them.
No problem. Social media handle.
Yeah, so my social media handle, for Twitter, for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, for Snapchat, for what else again? Everything we full now. Young Skales, YOUNGSKALES. Then for Facebook, my name na Skales. Now page, the page name is called Skales, and also I have a website, by the way. It's www.youngskales.com.
Okay, all that information also they present on top of that website. Okay, thank you very much. We wish your album a successful streaming and download. Can also now they all the devil they bust out from. I
appreciate, man. My people, man, go stream the album. Let's go.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.